Lexmoto Venom SK12522, and it's absolutely frozen weather today, and I'm just gonna go through the few tips what to do. So as an example, now my key ignition doesn't seem like turning to turn my motorcycle on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my key out and I use some of WD-40 or multi-purpose oil just to spray into ignition, and that meant to do a very good job of releasing it. So I'll just put my key tiny bit in to get that cap from the rain protection off. Spread again a tiny bit in. Okay, I leave it soak for a little bit, and I hope that should release it. My ignition barrel was completely stuck. There's really not much to be done. It had a bit more heat to it. Now suddenly I could actually start my motorcycle. So all what it was is that the Lexmoto Venom bike can't handle a frozen weather. My ignition was completely frosted, and due to this I could not move the key. That's all what it was. Unbelievable.